All right, so we are attempting to make a makeshift table stand for our Rugged Ridge rooftop tent. What's up, guys? If you haven't already, definitely check out the links in the description below. We've got lots of cool discount links, discount codes for a lot of awesome companies. I'll leave you to the rest of this video, guys, and thanks for watching. We pulled the crossbars off, and we are going to use the existing aluminum rails. We already drilled holes in this Gorilla ladder guy there. And I'm adding a little cross brace, bobber, little mending plate here. I've already drilled this one through, so it's good to go. I just got to hole punch these holes and then drill them through, and then one of the tables will be done. My plan is to have two, and so let's see what happens. All right, so one side is installed. This is the one of the sides, I guess you could call it. I've got it cinched up with a mending plate and a locking flange nut, and then a lock nut, double nut, a little Loctite on both sides. And then if you want to deploy the tent, just pull down and lock the legs. And when you're done, you push the little locking, unlocking button here and close it up. So now I just gotta do the other side, and then we'll be good to go. All right, I just measured and marked my holes, 7.5 inches from the outside. Let's see if I can show you. We're 7.5 inches from the outside, and we are 2.75 inches apart, 32 inches across, 2.75 inches apart. So I did those, and the metal is very thin. You can see it is very thin. It supports 300 pounds. I'm sure obviously evenly distributed, but so now I'm gonna add my stainless mending plate to give it a little bit of extra oomph. And we'll drill those holes out to be the right size. And these are like the exact width of here. So I actually have to kind of bang it in. It doesn't fit perfect. So maybe not the exact size, then maybe like a hair more. So it actually is gonna give it some more structural rigidity, maybe. I don't know. I'm not an architect or an engineer, but this is what I feel like is gonna work. All right, once you've bashed your mending plate into position, it's time to find the center and punch a hole the same size as the other holes. All right, well, this is mission accomplished. Looks like a flying saucer. The only hard part is closing it up, because you kind of have to put the stool in between or something. And yeah, figure that out. We'll figure something out for that. But for now, it is a little alien spaceship, and now we just have to figure out when I unfold it like this, what I'm gonna put there, because the ladder obviously is like a 5, 6, 7 foot ladder. Is not going to work, so might have to chop it in half, or I don't know, get another one of these things, or steel mics over there and rig something up. We'll see. Oh, well, that worked out well. Mr. Bay is still snoozing. Come on, Mr. Bay. Held up magically all night long on the Gorilla ladders. Oh, very stable. I just got to make something for the front. That one is just resting there. It's not actually bolted to the floor or anything. Either that, or I could chop the ladder into like a 2-foot ladder. What's up, guys? If you find this video entertaining in any way, go ahead and mash that Chuck Norris button for us. So to deploy, same thing. Undo my zipper, pull my cover off, and when it's on a truck, it's a lot cleaner of a deployment because this thing's not hanging on the ground. It's kind of just, you know, draped down. All right, and then normally you'd have a ladder here that you would reach from over there and extend it, but we don't have that, so I have to lift this. Oh, I can't lift it yet. I got to undo my straps. I'm glad I remembered that. Kind of give it a little compression, and straps deploy. Okay, and now, again, you'd grab it from the ladder and extend the ladder out from that side and pull it back. But since I don't have that, I'm gonna lift up here and I'm gonna walk it over here. And ta-da. And that's it. All I have to do now is hook up my metal rods for the windows and doors and unroll the corners here or the ends. Make sure this thing's folded down. Make sure this is folded down. Good, good, good. And that's it. And she's fully deployed, ready to go with everything that you want inside, and your mattress and your blanket. Oh, and I also need to remove the little bungee guys on the inside. But that's a wrap.
Babe, tell me you don't want to be here right now. The lakefront property. The girls get to wake up too. Beautiful little button. Miss you. Love you.
10 seconds.